Look at that. It's all white. It's looking really good. Gonna put it back on here. Look at that. It's all brown around the edges. Still not done yet. I think I'm gonna just leave it on there for a little bit longer, and I think it'll be fine. Hi guys, this is gonna be the first video on my channel. I figured I'd just come out here, cook pork chop. And this is actually going really well. It's a nice day out too, nice fall day. But as you can see, it's not that cold because I'm not wearing any coat or anything. So yeah, it's a really nice day. This is cooking actually really fast. Like, look at that. It was only on here for about 5 minutes, and it's already really white on the top. I'm gonna flip it over though. Oh, that's nice. Leave it on there a bit longer. Yeah, so I'll get back to you whenever this is about done. Tender as can be. Look at that, cooked all the way through. It's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna let my cameraman try a piece of it. Just take the fork. Probably pretty hot. Holy shit, that's good. Is it cooked all the way through?
Yes.
That's awesome. Okay then. I'm gonna try piece 2 then. Oh my god. Is it actually really good?
The best pork chop I've ever had.
Are you actually serious though?
Better than barbecue or fried or anything. Shake and bake.
Holy crap.
That's amazing.
It's actually really good.
Everybody watching this, definitely try it. Okay, wow. This actually turned out really good. I never actually cooked a pork chop out here before. But I'm definitely gonna do this again because this is the best pork chop I've ever ate. Ever. This is amazing. So this worked out really good today. I'm very pleased with this. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my channel. Bye.